guys, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Isn't this beautiful out? Look at the waterfall. Oh, because of the bubbles, the foam, it makes it look white. The rest of the stream that's running towards it isn't white though. Well, also because of the bottom, it gives you that effect. But anyway, what I'm talking about is nature. We're talking about trees, weather. Now let's talk about something that's not so much fun. How about hurricanes, floods, hail, tornadoes, severe windstorms? These are things that are not fun at all. I can help you when you have damage with those. They wreak havoc on a home. Do you have the proper protection? And what I want to talk about in this specific segment is deductibles. Do you know that a lot of policies have a special deductible when it comes to these types of storms? Does your policy have a deductible? And if so, what is that deductible? What dollar value is it? What are you on the hook for if you suffer damage like this? How much do you have to absorb in being your part of contributing towards the loss the insurance company said you need to do? Well, I can help you with that. I can determine and show you what you're on the hook for. And then we can talk about, does this make sense? Should you be on the hook for this amount? Or should we maybe change policies or talk to the agent and see about him reducing that or completely eliminating it, which is what I'd like to see. I want to help you with this. People don't give any thought to how that deductible is affected. You can have beauty like this, or you can have devastation and destruction later, and it'll be hard picking up the pieces. It's your choice. I'm here to try to help you. I am Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Just give me a call. Have yourselves a great day. God bless you.